My name is Mushfiq Hopkins. I am currently at NMI. I head up the contact center operations for the south area of South Africa. We split into two regions, north and south, and I am in the Cape Town space. I head up a call center in all aspects in terms of the site management, general management in terms of supply management, relationships with service providers like recruitment companies. Then I have a team that I'm really proud of in terms of team leaders. I've got 7 outbound teams and I've got 1 inbound team. Also have a quality team which I started from scratch. I started in the contact center arena in 1999. It's just about 15 years ago. It seems like it was yesterday. I graduated in marketing with a BTech degree, hoping to take on the marketing world, and I was told, go to the call center, we'll understand the customer. And 15 years later, I have grown in an industry that has just shown exponential growth, particularly in the Western Cape, an industry that has created permanent employment for many South Africans in this region.